brand and creator I talk to, how they create visual remains the same. First, they browse Pinterest for inspiration, then they research market for how the competitor is doing, then they use some image generation tools like ChatGPT or Hixfield to generate the images, then they edit using some Photoshop like tools, then finally they post it in Instagram or Meta ads. So nearly 6 to 10 different tools, no one talks to each other, every hands off will cost them time, they lose brand consistency, and they lose the power of creating visuals faster. So this is where VibeArt comes in. So creators can research for inspiration, mood board, then they use a node-based system to create images using 170 plus images and videos models. Then they finally can even edit using different types of node, and they can ship everything directly in the same canvas to different platform they needed. Okay, so what will our ideal customer or the market looks like? Let me show you. So the global creator economy alone is around $250 billion. With recent Gen AI tools, the content creation tools that uses AI, the market we are looking at is over $19.6 billion, and it is bound to grow over $80 billion by 2030. So our ideal customer will be brands and creators who ship hundreds of assets a month. So that might include D2C brands, big MCNs, YouTube MCNs, media companies, etc. Let me just show how all of this works. First, let me get all the assets needed for the content generation from the website directly itself. In this case, we are getting content from New Me, which is an Indian Gen Z D2C brand. So we are currently in talks of pilot with this brand. So this demo will be a real-time use case. Okay, now we have all the assets directly imported from their website itself. So let me just skip the process of actual content generation itself, since it might take some time. So finally all content is generated now. The whole process of getting the images, gathering mood boards, getting inspirations, actually generating the content, editing those content, and finally let me show you the process of posting it. In this case, we have posted this in Instagram using our social media post node. Let me go to Instagram. Yes, this is a dummy account I have. So right now we can see this was posted just like 4 minutes ago. So this is where VibeArt is powerful. We went from literally nothing, gathering every assets we need from the canvas itself, gathering inspirations we need from the canvas itself, generating the content, editing the content, and finally publishing it. Everything was done in just one canvas without leaving any other website or site. The process of getting inspirations and mood board. So this is all powered by TinyFish. So from inbound, like getting inspirations, getting assets, getting the mood board images, and also even the process of posting it in different social media platform. Okay, so these are stuff that was powered by TinyFish. This is why VibeArt is separate from all other AI based generation platform. It is not the actual process of generation itself, but what comes before and after it, and what comes before and after it was powered by TinyFish itself. So let's see what is our traction so far. So starting from April 1 until today, so we have 4 paying customers. So 4 of them are all our businesses, not consumers. So in that, one customer, A2D, has over 3 million subscribers in YouTube, over 500k followers in Instagram. So they are actively creating thumbnail, Instagram posts, everything using VibeArt. And then we also have 2 signed ongoing pilot with 2 of the biggest South India media company, Tamara Media and Devo. So these 2 company individually manages over 500 YouTube channels, and we have a personal discussion and integration plan we done with Tamara Media. So they are actively using it for thumbnail generation, creating AI visuals inside the video, etc. There was an idea of acquisition of VibeArt. So there was an interest of acquiring VibeArt from Tamara Media also. So what will be our ask? Our ask will be a warm interest to big D2C companies, media houses, content creators, and also how we can price this according to each market. That's all. Thank you.